Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going deep on air travel. Yeah, I know what you're thinking, another travel tip video, but this isn't just some random listicle, alright? We're covering the stuff nobody talks about, the things they don't tell you in those tiny airplane safety pamphlets. We're talking about how to actually hack your flight experience, from takeoff to landing. Let's do this. Alright, let's kick things off with what not to bring on board. We've all been there, standing at security, sweating through our shirts as they rifle through our bags. Look, nobody wants to be person, holding up the line because they forgot about a stray pocket knife. First up, the obvious weapons, explosives, anything that screams action movie villain. Leave those at home, folks. Next, flammable liquids because, and this might shock you, starting a bonfire at 30,000 feet is generally frowned upon. Finally, let's talk liquids. That tiny baggie they give you? It's not just a fashion statement. Respect the 3-ounce rule, people. And if you absolutely need that gallon of shampoo, check your bag, alright? Choosing your seat is more than just window versus aisle, it's a strategic decision. Now everyone knows the emergency exit row is prime real estate, legroom for days. But did you know the back of the plane is statistically the safest in a crash? Now before you go full panic mode, remember flying is incredibly safe. But hey, if you want that extra peace of mind, book that last row. Just be prepared to be the last one off the plane. Pro tip, if you're traveling with someone, book the aisle and window seat. Most people won't choose that awkward middle seat and boom, you've got the whole row to yourselves. Chapter 3, The Flight Booking Matrix. Alright, let's talk about saving money. Booking flights can feel like a gamble, right? Prices constantly changing, airlines playing mind games. But here's the secret, Tuesdays. Tuesdays are magic. Airlines often release their cheapest fares on Tuesday mornings, and try flying midweek. Wednesday is usually a safe bet for lower fares. Avoid those peak travel times like the plague. Another tip, book in advance. Don't wait until the last minute. Procrastination will cost you. Start looking for flights a few months out and set up price alerts. Trust me, your wallet will thank you. Chapter 4, The Deal Hunter's Toolkit. Finding cheap flights is practically a sport and you need the right gear. My go-to websites, Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Kayak. These sites are your digital travel agents, scouring the web for the best deals. Don't just check one site, compare them all. Airlines sometimes have exclusive deals with certain websites, so you gotta play the field. And remember those price alerts we talked about? Set them up on multiple sites just to be safe. Look, it takes a little effort, but scoring that insanely cheap flight, that's a feeling like no other. Chapter 5, The Do's and Don'ts of Airborne Etiquette. Okay, you've booked your flight, you're packed and ready to go. Now let's talk about how to not be passenger. The one everyone avoids eye contact with. First up, hydration is key. Airplane cabins are drier than the Sahara, so bring that reusable water bottle and fill it up after security. Next, and this seems obvious, but follow the crew's instructions. They're not being bossy, they're keeping you safe. And for the love of all that is good, be considerate of your fellow passengers. Keep your personal symphony to yourself. Use headphones, alright? Finally, let's talk about the dreaded recline situation. Look, I get it, you want to be comfortable. But before you slam back into someone's knees, just take a peek behind you. A little courtesy goes a long way. Outrow, now go forth and fly like a pro. Thanks for watching. Listen, flying doesn't have to be a nightmare. With a little preparation and a healthy dose of common sense, you can conquer that travel day like a pro. Remember, stay hydrated, respect the crew, and for goodness sake, don't be afraid to ask for that extra packet of pretzels. If you found these tips helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more travel hacks. Let me know in the comments what your biggest flying pet peeve is. Until next time, safe travels.